Hi, welcome back to my channel. So I'll be doing my natural hair today again, and I'll be doing it in some kinky twists using the rubber band method. So if you would like to see how I get this style done, then stay tuned. So I started off, my hair is lightly blow dry. I just have some jam in it today. All the products that I'll be using will be listed in the description box. So I'll start off by sectioning to the back from ear to ear, putting the remainder of my hair up and out of the way. I'll part the back section into 3 just because that will have less tension on the nape of my hair. The back section will be part into 3, which will be the 3 biggest section of twists in my hair. I'll be applying the jam and the perimeter of each section, smoothing it as I go. And then I'll be applying a rubber band, making sure not to do it too tightly. And I'll be doing the same thing for all of the sections in my hair, making sure not to do the rubber band too tightly, but make sure it's secure. Still doing the same thing all throughout my hair, smoothing, adding the rubber band not too tightly. I'm just showing you the section that I have so far, and we'll continue until all of our hair is rubber band. So I'm applying I'm applying the leave-in conditioner, combing it out, detangling it, and then applying the jam over top. And I'll be doing this to all of my section, splitting it into 2. Then I'll be attaching the braiding hair. So you will need to know how to braid, attaching braiding hair to your hair to do this step. So I'm using my real hair as the 3rd piece and attaching the braiding hair, starting with a braid, and then I'll begin to twist. When you're twisting your hair, it's gonna be tight on your scalp. So if you have a clip, I didn't have one at the time. If you have a clip, you can put that to your root so that way as you twist, it's not rolled in, adding too much tension to your scalp. But twist tight, and then once you reach the end and you loosen it, it will be slack. The process is self-explanatory. You can just watch how I do it. If you need additional help with braiding, attaching braiding hair, just check out other videos here on YouTube. But I'm just showing you what I do and how I braid my own hair. Alright, just keep watching. So I'll show you a closer look. Your hair will be the third piece to the braiding hair. Braid a little bit down. Split your hair into two and begin to twist. And you twist all the way down. And excuse the eraser that you guys see in my hair. Yes, it's old school. And yes, I still have an eraser to the back of my earring. you'll just twist all the way down. This is my last twist. And I'll just show you the end result. I have about 46 twists in my hair. And I would say it took me about 3 hours, but it was off and on. Without recording, I would say it will take me maybe 2.5 hours. This style is simple, easy, cute. It will last a month. You can work out in it. This is my go-to style when I want to break from my natural hair. You can put it up in a ponytail. I think it came out cute. What do you guys think? Thank you so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And stay tuned for more videos.